This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101. I am not a big fan of the jury system. The jury system, unfortunately, has kind of fallen apart in the United States. Part of it is that a lot of us work a lot of hours and are unavailable to the jury system. So the jury system tends to be a system of people who are unemployed or underemployed, or elderly people have a little extra time on their hands. It's not the A team out there making the decision. So many executives, if they were being confronted with a legal issue, would choose to have a judge hear the case instead of a jury, because they'd be concerned the jury would be prejudiced against that particular business. But it is an interesting situation. A grand jury meets in private. In fact, it's so private, if you're called before a grand jury, you cannot have your attorney in the room with you. One of the big scandals that has happened over the last few years are leaks from grand juries, where people who've participated in the grand jury process, if they think they can get a political advantage, release information that was supposedly collected in private. This is a very serious problem, and I'm not sure why grand juries need to meet in private, but in any event, the grand jury hears a case and says, yeah, we think this person is a bad person, then there can be an indictment. Juries can be 6 jurors or 12 jurors. It's not really that critical. Usually for the big cases and death cases, they're going to have 12 people. And for a capital punishment in the United States, usually you need to have a unanimous court jury award.